The ESP BAS warning light in older Chrysler 300 models indicates that the problem is with the electronic stability program or braking assist system. Basically, the ESP makes sure that your car grips firmly on the road and doesn't lose traction, and the system uses several different sensors and units. Each of them can trigger the ESP BAS light. Sometimes this is just a glitch and can be cured by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for several minutes, but sometimes you will need more inspection. First of all, pay attention to any other warning lights on the dashboard. If you see the ABS or brake warning light, the problem is almost certainly with one of the ABS sensors. Fortunately, replacing them is very easy in these cars. If you see the check engine light, the problem may be with the throttle position sensor, which is not that uncommon, given that these cars are of old age now. If you notice the warning light being triggered by a certain position of the steering wheel when you drive, the problem is with the steering angle sensor. This one is not that easy to replace, since you will need to mess with the front airbag, and you'd better let professionals do that. Unless you can spot the problem easily, you will need a good pro level scanner. The thing is that cheap generic code readers can only communicate with your engine control unit, while a high-end scanner will talk to a lot of different modules and get out more codes. This will help you identify the reasons for the problem and avoid spending time and money on unneeded repairs. Also, you should know that driving your vehicle with this light is not dangerous unless you want to drive in some extreme conditions like on icy roads or in slippery mud. Just be more careful than usual, since in case your car starts skidding, the stability system won't help you.